To get your Soulmate drawing in the Starla app, open the app and make sure you're logged in. From the main screen, tap on the Soulmate drawing or Sketch My Soulmate option. It's usually featured right on the home page or in the Discovery section. You'll be asked to enter a few basic details like your name, birth date, and sometimes a short description of what you're looking for. Once submitted, Starla's AI or partnered artist will begin generating your sketch. Depending on your internet speed and the service you choose, the drawing can take a few minutes to arrive. When it's ready, it'll appear right in your message history or in the app's inbox section. Some features like faster delivery or full-color sketches may require a small upgrade or a Starla Pro. And that's it. Within minutes, you'll have a custom Soulmate sketch based on your energy and profile